Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your main currency on your website on Wix. So if you have your website on Wix and want to change the currency, on the left hand side, you want to go down to settings. And there are two ways or two places you can change your currency, right? You can choose accepted payments and you click on that. And from right here, you will be able to see at the top where it shows multi-currency. Click on that. And right here, you'll be able to see your current or your main currency. You can click this section here where it says edit, and you'll be able to change the currency on your Wix account. So this is going to allow you to change the currency on your Wix account, right? So here you can see currently the site language, and you scroll down here, it shows a region, and here is the main currency. You can go ahead and you can change this to whatever you want, right? So this is how you can change it. Now, the next way how you can actually do this is to also go back into the settings right here, and you'll find getting paid. You click here, guys. And so if you look right here, you can see general settings, currency. Click here and change the currency to whatever you want as well. So this is what I recommend that you do. Change currency in two places. I'm going to just choose whatever currency that shows up. Let's choose US dollars right here. And that's it. So if you're looking how to change the currency, guys, this is where you can find those settings to change the currency on your Wix website.